Adebayo, Ebukobi, Prophet Jeremiah them, Reverend Father Mbaka, Adoration, Ebemonso, Papa Adebayo, Oyedepo, please ask God, what is he waiting for? What is he waiting for? Haven't he seen enough? Again also for Kwanara, waiting again remain now. Waiting again remain. Make it not come be like saying I dey suspect God, like say, like I don't want call him, I don't want call him partiality. Waiting be that sin where Sodom and Gomorrah commit. I want to know that they have to be consumed with fire. And they are still living in Nigeria for so many years now. What is that sin that Sodom and Gomorrah committed that have not been committed here in Nigeria? And you still allow us to be here. Come and clear this place because we are tired. We are tired because we are no more eating food. Even we don't even move around again. Insecurity. We don't even know which one we are suffering from. Are we suffering from the hand of the politicians? Are we suffering from the hand of our fellow poor people? A spiritual death trap set everywhere. Isiki gora prota, asigi no cancer, asigi kidney, fruit kidney, banana kidney, biscuits kidney, bread kidney, tea kidney. Okay, isiki ngona alcohol, asigi alcohol, bamba liver. Ngwana drink mineral, asigi sugar, diabetes. Ichi ekwane echiche asigi high BP, imiche asigi low BP. So which one? I don't understand. Or the material maybe we are no zikogene. The material maybe we ogulano. Iji maybe the time of Noah. You will rock maybe Sodom and Gomorrah. Or for Kai, we're solar. Use solar. If you don't want to use water, you don't want to use electricity, or you don't want to use fire, use solar. We're tired, man. We're tired. We make it no come be like saying injustice. So because if you not do something, we can carry placard to. We can stage protest, justice for Sodom and Gomorrah. Even if you no way yourself, I'm not going to hear question marriage to die here. I'm not going to hear question marriage. I don't hear question just because when you're mad at Apple. No saying that Apple, what heji create more. Now, what has the government, Nigerian leaders have not done? They have done worse than Satan. What have they not done? They are the ones that kept us into this situation. No control of the markets. They don't care about what they are bringing to us. Death trap everywhere. From the food we eat, from the medicine we take, from the water we drink, from the fruit we eat, from the car we drive. Fake materials.